Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I share about my farming journey. I post weekly videos about what's going on in my farm in a real time. So this is how I irrigate my cabbages. I irrigate them one by one. The reason is that I'm trying by all means to avoid using overhead sprinkler. I don't even use overhead sprinkler because with that I might even get fungal diseases. So I do my best so that I irrigate them one by one, even though it's a hard, time consuming. But at the end of the day, it's worth it. But after this harvest, I'm buying drips and really investing on my water source because with drip irrigation, it will need a lot of water to feed them in a daily basis because I kind of have like 3 blocks of things which I planted on the farm. So it will really need a lot of water because if I'm irrigating cabbages like this, I do my best to feed them enough water. Then I go to the other blocks and then I irrigate. So far I'm just using what I have because I extended the farm. So on this plot I was having a lot of sugar canes, so I then didn't have enough money to be able to irrigate them using drip irrigation. With farming, you should learn to use what you have because I wouldn't be saying that I won't plant cabbages on this block because I don't have drip irrigation. So I just did what I can. So but like so far they are doing well. After irrigating them, I scout for pests and I usually do it early in the morning or late afternoon and to check if there are water left in the leaves. So yeah, that's part of like what I usually wake up to every day. The only hardest part so far is that I have to really wake up early in the morning because like during the day temperatures are really going high. Yesterday we were at 37 degrees, but like I made sure that I irrigated them the day before. They were like having enough water to survive the heat. So if you made it so far, make sure that you like, comment,